Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you can create one-page Squarespace website ready with links, domains, and SEO. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open Squarespace dashboard and then click on the Pages button. After clicking the Pages button, click on the Edit button. And now here on editing the page, click on the Add Section button. Now select the template accordingly. Now adding more sections by clicking Add Section and then Text and choose any template again. Now again click Add Section and then Text and then select any template. Now click Add Section and then Contact and select any preferable template. That's how you will add sections. Now click that pencil tool to edit the height, width, background, color of the home page. After editing the height, width, background, and color of the home page, scroll down to the text bar and click the plus sign. Now choose code. So make a code for about of the website and copy the code. Scroll down to the text bar again and click the plus sign. Now again click code. And now paste the same code and remove about and write services. Like this. Then scroll down to contact form and then plus sign. Then click code and paste the code by replacing the services word with contact. And there you have the proper forms by names. Now click on the save button. Now click plus sign, scroll down to the link, create a link of about and save. Same goes with all the headings and save. After saving them, here are all the links. Now if you want to change site style, click that paintbrush and edit accordingly. Then click settings button and click on the social image button. So to add any social image there for the website, you can use it. Now click SEO and then edit SEO. So here you can do the edits for SEO accordingly. Now the browser icon means which shows on the bar, make the design on Canva or take it from Google. So you can put it also. Now if you want to change the domain, go to the settings button. After going to the settings button, click on the domains button. And then change the domain accordingly. And now save it. So here you have one-page Squarespace website ready with links, domains, and SEOs. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.